sensibility and practicality define the 2004 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.